Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Today I will share with you the interview experience of Siemens, and this interview experience is shared by one of my friend Anand Prasad Yadav. He is a GET at Siemens and he is from NIT Kurukshetra, batch 2021. So due to shortage of time, we could not have Anand in our channel. So I'll make you go through his interview experience. So let us see what Anand has to say, right? So at first we will talk about the beginning of the interview. So Siemens basically visited NIT Kurukshetra in July this year. So he is basically talking about his final year, right? So he's from batch 2021 for recruiting mechanical and electrical branch students, right? So once the online test was over, they shortlisted 12 candidates for the technical interview, and all of them were from the mechanical department. These 12 candidates were from mechanical department. Okay. So the technical interview went on for about 30 to 40 minutes for every candidate, and there was no language barrier. You can speak in Hindi or English. You can, mix both Hindi and English as well. In the technical interview, he's talking about. Okay. So at first, they have asked him to introduce himself, right? So, guys, you all know how to introduce yourself, right? I've already uploaded a video on Tell Me About Yourself, so please go through it if you have not watched it yet, right? So after that, the complete interview was based on power plant and fluid mechanics. This is what the candidate has to say, right? Now let me take you through the technical questions which were asked for mechanical department. Some of the questions which our guest could recall were: explain Breton cycle, what is the difference between gas and steam turbine, what is reheater and why it is used, how regeneration improve efficiency, what is Reynolds number and what does it tell about a fluid, what is a Darcy-Weisbach equation. He was asked to name 2 to 3 flow measuring devices, how can we measure velocity of a fluid inside a pipe, and difference in centrifugal pump and reciprocating pump. Okay. Now some of the additional points which I want you to go through is: interview proceeded in sequential manner, like next question was based on my answer to previous question. So this is what the candidate has said, that like previous question का आपका जो भी आंसर होगा, next question will be based on that particular answer only. Okay. So वो एक flow maintain हुआ था interview में, वो एक sequential manner maintain हुआ था, right? Two very experienced people were there in the interview panel. Make sure you research about your panelist if you know their names, right? The interviewers were very chill and interview went on like a discussion between the candidate and them, right? So guys, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, don't make interview something a very big issue or something, right? इंटरव्यू को एक डिस्कशन की तरह ट्रीट करो, उसको लाइक क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन की तरह मत ट्रीट करो, उसको एक डिस्कशन की तरह ट्रीट करना है, ठीक है? So the mostly interview was technical and related to power plant, but in between they can ask some questions related to your interest, your native place, and about your future plans as well, right? Now they didn't ask the candidate about his training, internship, and online courses in depth, but they can ask you, right? Because training, internship, projects are something which you should prepare and keep prepared all the time. Now at the end of the technical interview, they asked him to ask any queries. Basically they said, do you have any questions for me? Now guys, if you remember, HR interview playlist में इसका भी एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है. Do you have any questions for me को कैसे टैकल किया जा सकता है इंटरव्यू में, मेक श्योर दैट यू सी दैट वीडियो, राइट? अदरवाइज आप एक इफेक्टिव आंसर नहीं बोल पाओगे इंटरव्यू में, राइट? एचआर राउंड की बात करते हैं तो एचआर राउंड से पहले क्या हुआ था कि आउट ऑफ 12 दे शॉर्टलिस्टेड 2 कैंडिडेट फॉर द एचआर राउंड. मतलब मैकेनिकल में से 12 बंदों का टेक्निकल राउंड तो हुआ था, लेकिन 12 में से बस 2 कैंडिडेट्स आगे गए एचआर राउंड के लिए. मतलब 10 कैंडिडेट्स टेक्निकल राउंड से ही बाहर हो गए. So guys, technical round बहुत important है, and you make sure that you go through your technical subjects nicely, right? Now HR round was more or less the formality, and it went on just for 5 to 6 minutes. They just checked their communication skills and it was completely in English. HR round में हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स नहीं करना है, हिंदी में बिल्कुल नहीं बोलना है, इट शुड बी completely in English. Okay. Now the HR questions that were asked to him were why you want to join Siemens, why you want to choose this particular job profile, do you want to pursue higher studies or not, right? And once the question answer session was over, both the candidates, like HR में जिन दो लोगों का शॉर्टलिस्ट, जो जिन दो लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए थे, दोनों का सिलेक्शन हो गया. ओके. सो टेक्निकल राउंड का इंपॉर्टेंस आपको समझ आ रहा होगा, राइट? So basically, this is all about Siemens interview experience from a mechanical engineer's perspective. If you want me to upload interview experience of any electrical engineer or any electronics engineering student, then please comment below and let me know if this can be uploaded or not. So that's it for today, guys. All the best for your online test and all the best for your interview if Siemens is visiting your campus very soon. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.